Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle pad on the PS portal. Many new users wonder how to access this crucial feature, which replicates the DualSense controller's touchpad. Simply tap the center of your portal's display to activate the virtual touchpad, causing an on-screen representation to appear. This allows you to interact with games and system menus in unique ways, just as you would on a standard DualSense controller, offering seamless control. Once the virtual touchpad is active, basic navigation is intuitive and easy to master. To move a cursor or scroll through options, gently swipe your finger across the virtual pad in the desired direction. For making a selection or confirming an action, a quick, single tap on the virtual touchpad is all that is needed. This straightforward input method ensures you can navigate your games and the portal interface effectively. Beyond basic taps and swipes, the virtual touchpad supports more advanced gestures for enhanced gameplay. Certain titles implement a two-finger swipe, which might open a map, activate a special ability, or provide quick access to in-game menus. A rapid double tap can also trigger unique actions, often revealing hidden options or context-sensitive information. Exploring game-specific settings will help you uncover all its potential functions. For the best experience, consider a few key tips to optimize your virtual touchpad usage. Navigate to your PlayStation portal settings to fine-tune the touchpad sensitivity, finding a responsiveness that perfectly suits your play style. Regularly clean your device's screen, as smudges can sometimes interfere with precise input recognition. Finally, consistent practice across different games will naturally improve your speed and accuracy with all virtual touchpad gestures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.